All right, we have $11 per week for 3 weeks, so that's 11 times 3. We also have $4 per day for those 3 weeks. 3 weeks is 21 days, so 4 times 21. Now, if we glance at these answer choices, you'll notice that they all have different units digits. So we could just focus on the units digit here. We don't have to do all the math. The units digit of this first product is 3. The units digit of the second product is 4. So when we add it all up, we're going to get a units digit of 7. There's only one answer choice with a units digit of 7, so that's the answer. If you like this approach, be sure to check out my book. It's all in there. What do you want me to talk about in my next video? Type it down in the comments below and maybe I'll make a video just for you. Make sure you're subscribed and click that little bell icon below so you don't miss any future videos. See you next time.